Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. Irene in the south of France, and today a little bit different. I'm not going to really be doing any painting, but I'm going to be showing you an exhibition that I was in that came about after I did a mixed media workshop with little kids in a school. So I thought I'd take you along and show you how I set up the workshop, which could be really handy for those of you who are wanting to do some workshops with my trusty checklist. Who doesn't love a checklist? I do, and it's really helpful to just make sure you've got everything in boxes and bags before you go. You don't want to get there and say, oh no, I forgot something. So that for me is really important. If you want to get a copy of that, I'll put it below and you can use it. Yeah, so and then I'll take you on a little tour of the exhibition and show you some of the kids' work. It was a really nice exhibition because it's my work mixed with theirs, and it worked out really well. Yeah, I got some good feedback and all the kids loved it, of course, and now I'm getting lots of people contacting me for more workshops, so I think I'm going to be busy. Hope you enjoy it. You see my new paintings in first public viewing, so enjoy the show. So I've come to the library where the exhibition is on, started by one of the little kids. I think she was about 3 years old, and yeah, so they're all mixed with my paintings. So these are all from the latest collection. So this one is Where Shadows Dance and Dreams Wander. Oh, sorry, it's all in French. The Dawn's Gentle Embrace. It's a new one, that's one of my older ones, Rainbow Mountain. Of course, the mountain influence was still there back then. There's another kiddie one, and they were all from about 3 to 5, 6 year olds. A silence that speaks to me. And my very latest, Echoes Still Find Me. So all this was mixed media process, and obviously if you know me, if you watch my channel, if you watch my videos, you know that I'm in the south of France, and this project for the French kids was all in English. So double bubble, introduction to art, introduction to English. I think it was a fantastic experience, both for them and for me. And I'm not showing all of them because there were 65. There's 65 of the kids' paintings in this exhibition, and some of them did portraits, so I'm just kind of selecting a few ones that chose animals. And like I said, they're mixed with mine, so hopefully you can spot the difference. Tigers, lions, sheep. It's amazing how much the personalities of the kids came out in their choices of colour and animal. So another day, back at the exhibition, back again, and I'm going to set up a mixed media workshop. Brought my supplies, got my box of collage, bag of paints, got aprons, box full of, oh, that's my tablecloth, box full of materials there. So I'm just going to set up. So first of all, we need to respect other people's property. It's not my table. I cover it with this roll of paper tablecloth, really handy. Then you can just throw it away at the end. It'll be covered in paint by the end, especially if you're doing kids' workshops. Using canvas boards for this workshop, and cups for water. Everyone gets an apron. Invested in aprons, can just wash those time and time again. Got my paint brushes, and I set up a table at the side. I'm going to put all my materials on there. Collage papers, magazines, paper towel, pens. I like to kick off just with some drawings at the beginning, so just to warm people up. Crayons, pastels, whatever you enjoy working with, I take with me. Stencils, paints of course, and I love using washi tape. I love using it. The participants love using washi tape. Sponges to add paint. Metallic paints, glitter paints. If you ever work with kids, do not forget the glitter paint. They love it. Well, so do adults. And like I said, I will put the checklist down below for you to grab, and I find it really, really useful, just to check everything before you set off from home. So I was only about 20 minutes away from home, but imagine I got there, carried all my everything upstairs, boxes, and then I realised I forgot something. Oh no, disaster. So yeah, I find this really. I used to do paint parties, so I created a checklist for that, and I've just continued it with my mixed media workshops. So yeah. So all set up, I think. What, pens, coloured pens to do some drawings first. Everybody's got their own apron. I've got a nice board so we can collage on that. Giving everybody 2 paintbrushes each, medium and a small. And of course, surrounded by the paintings from me and the projects for the kids. So I've got lots of animal type magazines to tear the imagery into lots of flower type ones. Oh, and I've got some really nice, where's that? That's my one. Up, if I can drag it out. Oops. This has got some fantastic collage papers in it. Some metallic ones and some patterns. That's really great. Kitchen roll, some tiny sponges. Up on the back in a minute. Baby wipes in case. Crayons, some pastels. Stencils, lots of lovely pattern making stencils, some gold and silver paint, these washi tapes, and all these colours of paints. I've got some stamps, lots of lovely butterfly type stamps, and an ink pad. Yeah, glue, so I think we're ready to go. The aftermath. Didn't have much time to film during, so I hope I grabbed some photos, so I can't remember. So anyway, it was really great. The kids did really good. Brilliant. So you can see I've had a busy couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed the little sneak view of the exhibition. Back here in the studio, I'm busy filming for my new mixed media course. You can get on the wait list to find more information about that down below. So maybe the next few videos I'll maybe be talking about that, who knows. And I will also drop in the mixed media materials list if you fancy doing some courses. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.